to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, thank you so much for deciding to click on this video. I am so happy that you're here, and I need you to click one more time and hit the subscribe button below so you can join this amazing queendom and you won't miss any of this greatness that's about to happen. So today, I'm giving you another bomb wig review, and this one is super cute and is a very fun summer style. So let's just go ahead and get into it. Okay, so I'm giving you today a unit by Zury Sis. This is the Sassy collection, and I have Sassy HMH Max. This is the tag, and I have it in the color indigo blue. So I'm going to just go ahead and give you guys my pros and cons because I have a lot to say about this unit. For my cons, I guess I'll just go ahead and start with my pros instead. So the pros of this unit is the cut is super cute. Very spring friendly, very summer friendly. It's very lightweight. The cap construction is just like a regular schmegular cap. No lace front. It comes just like this. All I did was add concealer to the part. Also, I love the way this wig moves. It doesn't move like a normal synthetic wig. It moves very loose, and it's just a fun wig. Of course, I got indigo blue because you guys know I love crazy colors and I love going outside the box, so that's what I decided to do. And I really do like the indigo blue. I'll see if I can move up a little bit and zoom in. The blue is a subtle blue. It's more towards a navy blue, but not quite. I really like it though, so big thumbs up to Zury for that. My cons though really suck because while I do like this wig and I love it for this season, there are some major things that I don't like about this wig. So one, let me just go ahead and add to you guys before I get into the cons. This has a half moon part. So it's a semicircle part, as you can see. So it's not like a regular just straight down the middle or straight down the side. It is a semicircle part, which I think adds some flair to the unit and makes it really pop. But back to my cons. So one thing I noticed off the bat with this unit is there was a lot of shedding, even just like big chunks of shedding. Of course, I'm still able to make it work, but that was just a little weird to me, and I'm still having shedding the more that I wear it. And another thing, this is like my ultimate con that really disappointed me with this unit, is I got a lot of tangling, and especially in the front. So I'm going to try and just show you what I'm talking about. So I got a lot of tangling and stiffness right up in this front area. Now I was able to put some heat to it and kind of work out the kinks, but when I was able to zoom in and look, a lot of the strands in the front, some of them were like curly. So like I told you guys before, I get weird colors, and sometimes with these colors the units are not as consistent if you got a natural color. So that may be the case, but the shedding and the tailing just really disappointed me in this unit. But anyways, as always, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys that 360, and I will see you in the next video. Queens, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you give me the tea on this unit if you have it, what you think about it. Talk to me in the comments. Remember, I'm giving away my free winners for my wig giveaway this week, so this is your absolute last chance to enter the giveaway. And as always, I love you, mean it. See you in the next video.